This is the Panasonic FZ82 and the question is, why isn't the camera focusing correctly? Well, it's not focusing correctly because it has a rectangle which is up here in this corner. So if I want to focus it in the center, it's not focusing there, but it's focusing here. So what to do? Simply touch the screen, because it has a touch screen, and set it to that location, into the center. Okay, and now it's not focusing here in the corner where it was accidentally placed, but it will focus in the center, in photo and in video mode also. So halfway press the shutter if you want, and now it is focusing in video mode into the center of the screen, where that rectangle is on that small little house. So if you are accidentally pushing it to a different location, it will focus into that location. Touch that corner, set it, and it's focusing there. So if the image is not sharp enough, then check the focus location. By the way, if it's set there, display reset, it will set it back to the center. So different location, reset, and it's set back to the center. And stop the video recording.